I think Gen X men and women are quietly breaking down behind closed doors. I think a lot of Generation X just not showing the world what they're doing. Conversely, the people that you love and work with, they don't even know it, because we became experts of pretending that we're okay. You go to work, you pay bills, you go through the motions, you smile, make jokes, you handle your shit, take care of your family, your house, your job, and then you get home, and then maybe you sit in silence. Maybe you're completely exhausted, emotionally completely drained every day, even on the weekends, mentally drained. A lot of us in Gen X grew up, the struggle was the process. It was normal. Burnout was normal. Working 20-hour days, ignoring your health was part of it. Maybe you saw your parent do that. Burying your emotions, part of the deal. And we did it, and we got good at it, and we did it for decades. Good practice. But eventually, it catches up to you. That's why so many people, Generation X and my X, we feel lost in their 40s and 50s. Not because we're weak, because we've been carrying pressure for 30 freaking years without really ever stopping. You can only override your mind and body for so long, and then something's gonna crack. Sometimes it's not a nervous breakdown or a heart attack. Sometimes it just looks like a little bit of high blood pressure, a little bit of heaviness, pre-diabetic, anxiety, too much drinking. Maybe you stay by yourself, numbing yourself with food, and you just wake up one day realizing you don't even recognize yourself in the mirror. I know, because I did it. I was an expert at it. Spent years stressed out, constantly eating garbage like a drunk rich teenager, ignoring my health. Worked all the time in my business, just going along pretending everything's good. Meanwhile, body was getting worse, energy was worse, my mindset was terrible. A lot of people around us are carrying way more pain than they would ever say out loud. That guy making everybody laugh at work might be depressed. Think of Robin Williams, the woman always taking care of everybody else, might be emotionally just done. The person posting, "I got all kinds of money, I feel great," on Facebook might be completely ready to blow. And the scary part is that in our culture, you pretend you're okay until it breaks. That's why I started talking about what I did, ruining my life, and then coming back and rebuilding at 57. So many of us in Gen X are starving for real, not fake motivation, not pretending your life is easy, not guru influencer bullshit. Just some honesty from a guy who's fucked his life up and came back. Stress changes people, and sometimes you ignore yourself too long, but you can rebuild. You can. I'm living proof, and many of us have. You can start walking. You can still fix your health. If you ain't dead, you can start over. You can rebuild your confidence. You can create a structure even after divorce. You can become mentally stronger little by little. maybe the strongest thing we can do now as a Gen X. Stop pretending that everything is beautiful, everything is fine, when you're clearly carrying too much. I did a full breakdown many times on all the earlier videos. Find some, they'll help. If you're starting over like me, please type I'm in. I do these videos for accountability for me and to help you. Maybe if you can see a guy who was 300 pounds, started to fix his life and found happiness in the last quarter of his life, maybe you can too. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.